In this video, you'll learn why you should start uploading files from your computer into your Google Drive and exactly how to do it in just a few really simple steps. Now, you might be wondering, what types of files can I add to my Google Drive? I want you to know that your Google Drive doesn't have to just be filled with Google files. It can be any type of file. So think about some of the files on your computer already. PowerPoints, Word documents, maybe worksheets that are in PDFs, videos, photos, and these can include assessments, parent letters, emergency subplans, reading logs. Any type of file that you have on your computer can be uploaded into your Google Drive. Now, you might be also wondering, what are the benefits of me doing this? Why should I upload those files into my drive? Well, for starters, you'll have all of your files in one place. That means that you can access them at home and update them from anywhere. You don't have to email files back and forth from school to home anymore. And it's a lot easier to click on a file in your drive than to try to track down a file folder that hasn't been quite filed right in your file cabinet, or maybe you misplaced the master. When you have everything in your Google Drive, it's really easy to search for things and keep everything organized. The last thing is that when all of your files are in one place in your Google Drive, you can easily share these files and collaborate on them with other teachers, which we'll discuss in an upcoming video. So now that you've learned about the benefits of uploading your files into your Google Drive, let's take a look at how to do it. I'm in my Google Drive right here. I'm going to click New in the left-hand corner and File Upload. The files that I'm going to upload are on my desktop. Yours might be there, or they might be in another folder on your computer. You'll go into the folder and then double-click on the file that you'd like to upload. I'm going to upload this word study assessment, so I'll double-click. You can see that the file has appeared in my drive, and I've gotten this confirmation in the bottom right-hand corner of my screen. I can click X to get rid of this box. I'm going to upload another file. So again, I'll go to New, File Upload. This time, I'm going to go into a folder and click on this PowerPoint review. So I'll double click again. Once again, the file has been uploaded and I can click this X. Now, let's say you want to upload an entire folder into your Google Drive. You'll go to New, Folder Upload. Then you'll find the folder that you want to upload. In my case, it's this Biographies folder. So I'm going to click it and I'll click Upload. Do I want to upload all of the files? Yes, Upload. You can see the upload has been completed and I now have a new folder in my drive. If I double click on this Biographies folder, you'll see that all of the files inside the folder have been uploaded into my drive. I'm back at the main page of my Google Drive. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about is how to change those PowerPoint and Word files that you just uploaded into Google Slides and into Google Doc format. If I look back at that Topic 10 review that I uploaded earlier, you'll notice that it's still in PowerPoint form, but I would like to convert it to Google Slides. So what I'll do is I'll double click on it, and then at the top of my screen, I'm going to click Open with Google Slides. When you open up a PowerPoint in Google Slides, you might have to tweak a few of the fonts if you don't have the same fonts in PowerPoint as you do in Google Slides, and sometimes you have to change the formatting just a tad. So if I scroll down and I click on slide 4, you'll notice that all of these boxes are blue and gray. But if I show you what it looked like in PowerPoint, it actually looked white. It's really easy to get rid of this blue color though. I can just click and highlight all of the squares, go up to the bucket fill and click white. So there may be just a few things that you might have to tweak, but it's definitely worth it in the end to have everything in Google Slides. If you look up at the top of the screen next to my title, you'll notice that it's still saved in PowerPoint format. To change this, I'm going to go to File, and then I'll go down and click Save as Google Slides. Now when I click on my Drive tab at the top, and I'll click the Close button in the upper left-hand corner, you can see now that I have another copy in Google Slides. This is the Google Slides icon. So what I can do is just simply right-click on this PowerPoint file and click Remove. Now I have it perfectly saved in Google Slides. If I click on Biographies, you'll see that I have some Word documents. If I double-click on a Word document, I can do the same thing. This time I'll open it with Google Docs. And then what I'll do to save it is I'll go to File, Save as Google Docs. Now when I go back to my Biographies folder and I click on the Close button, it's the back arrow here, you'll see that Biography Research Notes for Computers has now been saved as a Google Doc, so I can simply right-click on this Word copy of it and click Remove. All right, well that is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please rate us on TPT. And if you have any teacher friends that you think would be interested in this course, please let them know where they can find it.